So we're just going to match this up, make sure we're dealing with the right side. This looks good. Let's get started. I'm going to come right down along here, and I'm going to take out these push pins, and we can get to it right behind there. So you don't have to remove the wheel to do this. I'm just doing it for a little extra space for the camera person. What you want to do is just remove these little push clips. I'm going to try to get right back here. Let's go one more. Oh yeah, that's much better. So if you look at the back side of your lens, you can see where the wiring is going to go in. We're going to feel for that. Once we find it, just go a little bit above it and grab this tab, pull it away. Got my wiring. I'm going to go just above it. I can feel the tab. I'm going to push it and push out at the same time. The lens should want to pop out. There it is. Now that it's out, just disconnect the wiring. Check it. That looks good. Got our lens assembly, brand new 194 bulb. Just put this in here, give it a little twist till it locks in. Slide that in, give it a tug. We're going to line up these with these areas right there. Everything should want to slide in. Give it a little bonk. Fits right along the headlamp perfectly. If you're replacing the pair, just do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Make sure you put back in your push pins. Nice.